Hello everyone, this video I will show you a solution that is web server that is for KC868-A32. This is our A32 board. This solution mainly let this board work as a server. This time you not have the internet, you not have the cloud server, but this board just the own self is a server. So that can work in local network. But also you can use the internet remote control by the DDNS or by the port forward function of your load. Let's look at how it works. And this board, I have used this switch. I have connected with this momentary switch with this digital input of the A32 board. And this switch, just every channel, every button will have one LAN. And this is KC is common LAN, have connected with this board. So you can see I can use turn on relay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That I can use this momentary switch. Also you can use launch switch just according to your Arduino code, because this board all is open source, the schematic is open source, and the Arduino source code is open source. I have already uploaded to our forum, so you can download and change it for different switch panel and for different switch type. So you can see I can turn off, and this is by manually controlled by this button. And here you can see is our web page on the computer. You can use the buttons to turn on and turn off relay, such as this relay 1. You can see I can turn on, this relay is on, and this I can click again, that is turn off. And the channel 2 I can turn on and turn off. So I can turn all on just like this. So all relay is on, and I can click all off, so that all relay is off. So this is controlled by the web page. So just use this IP address. Also you can see you can use the HTTP command integrate with the third part of the hardware. So you can see if you want to turn on relay 1, you can see I can press this button and turn on, just copy. You can see I can use this URL. If I want to turn off, I just change to off. So you can copy this URL, and you can see I can paste it here. Paste and enter. You can see the relay is off. So I just change to on and enter. So the relay will be on. So this is sent by the URL, and we can see this code URL in the Arduino code. So there are the protocol, how to turn on and turn off. You can see the channel 1 is off, the channel 2 is on, the channel 1 is on. So you can just change this code, so that will be on and off controlling the relay. And here also you can see is the all on and all off. This is all off. So this is use the HTTP command. So you will use by the PC software. Also you can use your mobile phone. The web browser, you just use any PC software and the mobile phone. You can see I can open web browser and input the IP address as the computers. You can see I just input this one, so I can use turn on relay 1. This is relay 1. You can see here, turn on relay 1. This relay 1 is on, turn off, and turn on and turn off the channel 2. And also you can see I can turn all on, and this is all off. So this is by mobile phone. And you can see this button also can auto suitable. You can see I can change the different resolution or different web browser size. That will be auto change this displayed. So this is controlled by the mobile phone and the PC in the local network. But another way, if you want to let this board remote control by 4G or remote control outside your home, so there is a way that is use the port forward function of your load. So you can see this is my load I have logged. You just need to go to the WAN and that have a port forward function, such as you can see here. I have added this port HTTP servers. You can add this HTTP servers port forward function to your load, so that the local network is 80. The 80 is used for the HTTP for the web page, and we can port map to this port. This port just use not used port, that for internet. So that will be use this 8 port to this port 85 and 50. That according to this IP address, this 148 is our board. You can see this is our board IP address. So this time you can see I can use this one IP. You can see here. This is one IP, that is for internet IP. So you can see I can copy this IP address and paste it here and add the port and enter. You can see I can also visit this web page for on and for off. This just works in local network, but also you can see I can use my iPhone. This iPhone I can change to 4G. This is used by the Wi-Fi. Now I can disable the Wi-Fi because I have used the 4G now. You can see here is 4G. So I can open the web browser and input this one IP. That is 115.220. This port, and you can see enter. So you can see here, this is the web page, and this is by the 4G. So I can also, you can see I can turn on. This relay is on, and turn on relay 2. That is controlled by the internet, but this board is work as a server. Also, I can use all on. This is all on and all off. This is controlled by the 4G. And this time also you can use this phone page. You can see I can use this wall switch. And also you can use this and this one at the same time. And here you can see I have 2 mobile phones. This is by the Wi-Fi. You can see here, that is Wi-Fi. And this is 4G. And this is 4G. So you can see I can relay 1 on, off. This is 4G, on and off. So these 2 mobile phones are used in local network and used by the internet and work at the same time. So this is for the remote country. Okay, let's look at this is used for A32 board. Also use this code you can change a little and use for A16 and E16S or A8, A6 and A4 board. That is widely used by the ESP32. And if you have interest, you can download our source code. I have uploaded our source code at here. You just can visit our form. And you will see this source code you can download. And when you download, you just open this. When you download, you just open this Arduino code, and you will find here that is our source code. This you need to install firstly. This is I2C chip, the library for Arduino, and this wifimanager. That is the library you need to install. Just install the library and the manager library. So you can just input wifimanager and you will search. And this library, and also you can input and search. And this time, I will show you how to set the Wi-Fi SSID and the password. You can see here the code. Actually, you not need to use this set the SSID and the password in your Arduino code, because we will use this mobile phone to configure the Wi-Fi. This code, I think you need to delete it or comment it, because you can see here we have used the Wi-Fi manager, so that you can use the web page. I have used this Wi-Fi manager. You can use this to configure the Wi-Fi by the AP mode firstly. At the first, you will see this A32 AP, and you will connect it and to configure the Wi-Fi SSID and the password. So I have downloaded this code. We can see the serial monitor and how to configure the Wi-Fi. This button we have defined for the clear the Wi-Fi information. So that is the Wi-Fi reset. So you can see we can for a demo. The first time you have to use, you just click this button, and you can see that is clear the Wi-Fi and enable the Wi-Fi AP mode. That will have the SSID for this AP mode. So you can use your mobile phone. At the firstly, configure this A32 board Wi-Fi. You can see here, and click the Wi-Fi. You will find that A32 AP, that is signal for this ESP32. So you can click this one, and we can see this is the web page you can see displayed. So that will configure the Wi-Fi easily by the web page. So you can configuration for the Wi-Fi, and will scan the signal of your office or your or your house. You can see there are many Wi-Fi signals have scanned. I will use this Kinkoni is my Wi-Fi. So we can pick up this SSID, and you just need to input the password. Okay, you can click show password or not show password, and just click save, and they will configure the ESP2 Wi-Fi and set to STA mode for the ESP32. And you can see here the third part output that have connected, that is successfully. And you can see the mobile phone will disappear and connect to this Kinkoni. And here you can see that is the IP address have displayed. So we can use this IP address, copy and paste it to your web browser. So you can see I can paste it to here and enter. You can see this web page, and you can on and off. And also you can see this from this report, and also you can go to the web browser, and you can see here is the view the customer list, and you will find, because I have many devices, you will find this ESP32 is this IP address. So this have find in your log. Just use this IP address and log in the web browser or log in your mobile phone. So that will be easily to configure the Wi-Fi and control this relay output, and easily for integrate the board by the HTTP command for the third-party software or hardware device. Okay, thanks for watching.